Hello and welcome to the Luberon. I'm Joanna Leggett and I'm privileged to be with Elske Kolstra, who is our agent for the Luberon and the Provence area today. And she's going to talk to us about this amazing, beautiful chateau behind me from the 1600s. So thank you for having me here today. And first of all, would you like to tell us a little bit about the chateau itself?
Yeah, of course, it's my pleasure, of course. I'm so happy that you came all this way to see the castle and to see this surroundings here. So yes, the castle, it is from 1600 and it was built by the co-seigneur, aristocrats who had some land altogether, and they had the land around it. There was one here and there was one also in the village. It's a neighbor. And this castle, it is the 7th generation of a family.
That's amazing. 7 generations.
It's amazing, yes. Yeah. And it used to be a hunting lodge. Can you imagine? It's only for hunting they came here.
Wow.
So there's a lot of land around it. We sell with the castle 84 hectares.
84 hectares.
84 hectares.
That's huge. And I saw, looking around, some of it's lavender fields as well.
It's lavender, yes, a lot of lavender here.
Yeah.
This is the Provence here, and it's a beautiful. You should come back in July. It smells and it's beautiful.
I can imagine. So can you tell us a little bit about the area?
Yes. My pleasure. The area itself, so it's a valley, the Luberon Valley, and behind us you would have the Mont de Vaucluse. This valley originally, it's interesting, it was quite rich. There was of course the Pope in Avignon. There was a Pope who said, I would like to eat fruit all year through, and he told the people to make that, to invent that. They invented the candying process.
Right.
So, and for that they had fruit, and now it's all a fruit valley. And here it's the capital of the fruits confits.
So with this chateau, tell us a bit about the chateau now. Usually on our YouTube channel, we're showing restored, beautifully restored. We had one recently, which you can see on our channel, where it took them 4 years to restore it. Wow. And it's absolutely amazing. Now this is for restoration, so it's not for the faint-hearted, but the potential is so amazing. It could be a wedding venue, a boutique hotel. It could just be a year in the Provence, or many years in the Provence.
Yes.
You yourself have been here 22 years,
yes,
is it?
now for 22 years is what I live in the area and in this village. And yes, so long before I became an estate agent, I drove past and I always saw this castle, and it's always beautiful. So I took some photos already in ancient times, and then now just recently the owners came to see me and they asked me whether I would like to sell their castle exclusively, and it made me of course very honored.
Yeah, how honored. Yeah, that's really lovely.
Very much.
This particular castle is stunning. It's set in the middle of its own land, mountains, lavender fields, forests, everything around it.
True.
The location is what it's all about, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
You can change the inside, but you cannot change the location. So it really, with some love and care, it could be the most fabulous place.
It needs a lot of love, yes.
Exactly.
True, yes. And what you see around this castle, everything you see, it will stick like this. It's not possible to change it anymore. And that, I think that's the unique part.
It's rare. It is so rare because, and I think because it's been in the family for 7 generations, that luckily it has, because what happens when it gets sold and it gets sold and it gets sold, people break off parcels of land. So it's really rare to sit in, is it 88 hectares coming with this castle?
84 hectares.
That's very, very rare, especially in a stunning area like this.
Yes, part of the land is then used by farmers. So in front we have the lavender fields. Lavender is cropped, so you don't see it every year. You could use it for horses if you would like to. In general, I believe there's about 16 hectares of land around it, and the rest is forest in the mountain. So half of the mountain behind the castle is part of it. and that are green trees where you would have truffle oaks.
Truffle oaks as well.
Yes.
I noticed actually, because you've got a huge file on the property, so you can give them any potential
Yes.
client any information that they need, and all the different types of wood that are here in the forest as well.
Yes, yes, there's plenty different trees. So yes, a surveyor came, he named all the trees. So yeah, for 84 hectares you can make a long list. The local mayor here also, he wants really to help us to have a project of it, because it is such a nice property.
Yeah, and a historical building. It's a historical building.
There is a little nuance. Yes, it's a very old building, but people get a bit worried when they hear historical building, because there will be a lot of regulations.
But it's not. Yeah, it's not. It's not Bâtiment de France or protected.
It's old, but it's not protected.
Yeah.
And that means that you can, if you would like to knock out the total inside, even the outside, but well, what point to buy such and knock it all down?
Yeah, no, of course. And the facade is stunning.
Yeah, I would keep the facade.
Without a doubt, yeah.
But so there are no restrictions further, only just to stick to the floor plans that are there, the outer plans.
And actually, how many square meters does it have? It's large, isn't it?
It's large, yes, indeed. It has 3 floors.
Right.
And it is 525 square meters of the chateau.
Right.
And then there is a lot of agricultural buildings, because that has been added in 1920. I've seen old black and white photos of constructing that part.
Fantastic.
And that is 1100 square meters. And in that part there is also an apartment of 200 square meters.
Fabulous.
2 floors.
For like a guardian, or if the family wasn't going to be staying here all year, you've got a guardian's cottage, etc.
Yes.
Now, talking about markets, churches, now we forgot about the little secret chapel here, and you were telling me about the architect who designed it, because it was they were old and didn't want to walk down to the church. So tell us a little bit about that.
Yes, it was a very royal family, and also a very Christian family, I think.
A Christian, yeah.
When they made this second part, they had the idea to raise a chapel, and one of their family members was the architect, and he lived in Avignon. And they wrote him a letter, and he agreed to raise the chapel here.
Oh, so it was consecrated, and it was blessed, so that you could actually have a little service in there.
Yes, yes.
How lovely.
The reason was that the village was too far to walk. It's 1 kilometer. If you do it every day, yes, that would take a while.
Yeah.
So they had that permission. And the current owner, she is now at her 94s. She used this chapel just all her life, as long as she lived here. Every day.
How lovely.
The children went there every day.
Yeah.
And also the village itself, the people from the village, they know it also, because they had here the catechism in the chapel. They came here, the children, to get
christened.
Yes.
How lovely! It's got so much history, hasn't it? That's the beautiful thing about France.
Yes.
So from my point of view, I adore it, and I think, you know, if I had the money, I would be in there starting the project with a lot of help. But this has just been a fabulous visit. It's just gorgeous, and I'm like, thank you so much for showing it to us.
Totally
I think it's great. It's been great.
Yeah, I think well, if you're interested.
Yes, of course, and of course there'll be links on our link below, so that you can go through to see yourself. Obviously, the video's on YouTube, but we've got some on Instagram. We can see some little internal shots and things as well. And all of the information, people just need to speak to you, and you're available for viewings. Take them around the area.
Yes, my pleasure.
It'll be fantastic. It'll be fantastic to get this sold to somebody who'll give it as much love as the last 7 generations of people have, and it just needs bringing up to date again and being restored, and then it's like a little piece of heaven in the Luberon.
Totally, yes. Thank you, Joanna.
We hope you've enjoyed watching this video and this stunning location and all the pretty towns around here, and I hope that somebody comes and gives this lovely chateau castle some new love.